Students of programming are aware of the methods of checking for palindrome words, for example, madam, race car, etc., and for palindrome numbers, for example, 5885, 246, 8642, etc. Now we shall check for palindrome phrases and sentences. For example, never odd or even. No lemon, no melon. Sir, I am Iris. Was it a car or a cat I saw? Notice that here we have to deal with blank spaces and punctuation marks. Method. We will extract only the alphabets and digits from the given phrase or sentence, leaving out blank spaces and punctuation marks, and form a new string with the extracted characters. This new string will be a single word string. Then we will convert this single word to lowercase. Example, never odd or even becomes neveroddoreven. No lemon, no melon becomes nolemonnomelon. Sir, I am Iris becomes sirimiris, etc. Next, we will check for palindrome in this single word string with the help of two-pointer technique. This approach involves using two pointers, one starting from the beginning and the other from the end of the string, moving towards the center while comparing characters. That is, the first character of the string is compared with the last character. The second character of the string is compared with the second last character. The third character of the string is compared with the third last character, and so on. This is an efficient method because it checks only half the string. Let us take the example of the word radar. Here the character index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We start comparing. The first character is R. The last character is also R. They are same. Therefore there is matching. The second character is A. The second last character is also A. They are same. So there is matching. Now we come to the middle of the string. There is a single character left. So there is no need of further comparing. So you can see that we had to check only half the string. If the characters match at every step, then the given string is a palindrome. Let us take the example of the word race car. There is matching in the first step, matching in the second step, matching in the third step. Then we come to the middle of the string where there is a single character only. So no further checking is required. We say that the word race car is a palindrome. While checking, as soon as we come across a step where the characters do not match, we stop checking any further and say that the given string is not a palindrome. For example, let us take the word Northampton. There is matching in the first step, matching in the second step, but no matching in the third step. So we stop checking any further and say that the word Northampton is not a palindrome. We will name the pointer that checks characters from the beginning of the string as left. The pointer that checks characters from the end of the string is named as right. If the string length is n, right takes the values n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, etc. For example, if the string is the word drawing board, character position index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here the length of the given string is 12. So right takes the values 12 minus 1, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 3, etc. That is 11, 10, 9, etc. corresponding to the position index number of the characters at the end of the string. Left takes the values 0, 1, 2, etc. corresponding to the position index number of the characters at the beginning of the string. Java program for checking palindrome phrase. Java program continued. C program for checking palindrome phrase. C program continued. C++ program for checking palindrome phrase. C++ program continued. Python program for checking palindrome phrase.